Welcome back to another episode of video, and let's watch how everything is ongoing during summer in center of Bydgoszcz. A bunch of people are coming. Wow.
On ma te 2 lata w takie rewolwery.
Okay, let's move towards Brother River because there is some wonderful sceneries we can watch from bank of the river. We shall go to opposite side of the river to watch some beautiful sceneries. Okay, let's see the bank of the river from here. Then I shall go back, go to other part to show you everything. This is one side of the river bank. You can see here a small ship, and here in the dockyard, during summer night, people love to dance here with the lighting, and that becomes really awesome and it looks very much beautiful. And this is the river, and the bridge also you can see here. This is the Bydgoszcz Central Bridge towards the center. Ah, check it from here, it's awesome. Let's have a walk from this side because this is beautiful. Okay, let's go downstairs. Some days ago, this area there was no flower and nothing because of the cold weather, but now they have planted new trees. Oh, it's mind blowing. Okay, now from here you can see the beautiful Bada River more closely. Okay, okay, let's have a walk. The flowers are mind blowing. Mamma mia. Okay, you can see with board letters the name of the city is written here. And at evening, like around 9 or 10 p.m, people comes here and dance. And that time the ship, the small ship, it is enlightened with a lot of lightings. I love this place so much. And the cycling track also, there is a cycling track here, so when I get time I come here and have a ride. There is another statue here. জীবন। These buildings are mind blowing. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video, and let's meet on another episode. Take care, bye.